month has been truly remarkable for pipeline division. We had the inauguration function of Chennai-Bangalore pipeline. The pipeline was dedicated to nation, His Excellency, the Governor of Karnataka, Shri Hansraj Bharadwaj, in presence of Union Minister Veerappa Mohli and Petroleum Minister Mr. Murli Devara. And it was heartening to note that the head MPOs of oil marketing companies were also present in the function. In addition to the Panipat pipeline, we have successfully commissioned Amod Hajira pipeline, that is a branch which is coming from Koyali-Dahej pipeline on 12th of July 2010, with delivery of BS3 HSD to marketing tank at Hajira, as well as Mathura Kharagpur Ispat pipeline on 13th of July, with introduction of BS3 HSD from Mathura. My congratulations to one and all, and special compliments to entire project and construction team of pipelines for successful commissioning of these projects. I would also like to inform that Rajasthan crude has been introduced in our pipeline at Ratanpur on 25th June, and from today onwards the injection rate is going to be 10%. We are either injecting at the rate of 7.2%, will be increasing to 10%, and then subsequently based on the performance, as Director R has desired that we should enhance the input of Caves crude, we'll see to it that the pipeline rise to the occasion and see to it that we increase this injection of Rajasthan crude. Now, with the commissioning of new pipelines, our pipeline network has grown to 10,900 kilometers, having capacity of 75.26 million metric ton and 10 MMSCMD of gas. During April-July 2010 period, pipeline division achieved a throughput of 21.79 million metric ton, which is 3.5% higher than the same period in the last year. Now, the incidence of Abu Road leakage, which has been mentioned by Chairman, this leakage has taken place because the pipe was resting on rock, and about 50 meters away from that pipeline, a well was dug as the field was totally rocky. There was a blasting activity and other things were done. So due to the vibrations and other things, the crack was caused into the pipeline. The leakage of the oil, because it was, as you know, the topography of that land near Abu Road, it's hill area. So in that case, the leakage of the oil continued for almost 3 days. And however, due to the, alertness as well as the total dedication of the Western Region Pipeline team, not a single drop of oil was allowed to go into any area where it would have caused a serious problem. It was contained in the pits dig for the purpose, and almost 1,800 kiloliters of the crude oil it was recovered from that. And whatever the soil which was affected through the crude oil, that was taken to Abu Road station, and where the bioremediation of that soil will be done. So as far as there was no environment hazard was taken, and the Western Region Pipeline team, they did continuous round-the-clock work for restoration of that leakage. And there is a reason that this type of thing should not recur. We have already undertaken, we have carried out the intelligent peak survey of that particular section, and we are aware of that where are the dents, and we have already drawn out plans that wherever the critical locations are there where such dents are appearing, then in that case those dents will be repaired in a time-bound manner. Now, the benchmarking study for 3 pipeline units, that is Sarai-Mathura pipeline, Adya-Barani crude oil pipeline, Trichy-Madurai pipeline, is being carried out with the help of Mrs. Saruman Associates, and we expect that the results of this study shall be available by September end. Now, intelligent peak survey of 6 of our older pipelines that has been successfully completed, and reports have been received. Now, with this intelligent peak survey, as far as the older pipeline is there, we know that what are the defects in the pipeline where the thickness reduction has taken place, and we have charted out the program so that the integrity of the pipeline is maintained, and the transportation of the oil through these pipelines, they remain incident-free as far as the material integrity point of view is concerned. Now, as far as the ongoing projects are concerned, hookup of Tikekana terminal with existing MJPL, the pipeline has been made ready. The station at Panipat, that should be available by September. However, at Tikekana, that will be synchronized with the completion of marketing terminal. Now, Now, branch pipeline from Koeli Sanganer pipeline, that is up to Kandla, all statutory clearances have been received and all major works they are progressed. The pipeline is progressing as per schedule. Work of augmentation of Chennai-Trichy metro pipeline, that is also going as per schedule. All the materials are in place and we expect this to commission this augmentation by February 11. Chittoor pump station, which is there on Chennai-Bangalore pipeline, that is being converted into depot point, and procurement of various long delivery items, that is an advanced stage, and this project is slated for completion by August 11. Construction of tanks and blending facilities at Wadina. Work for construction of crude oil tanks, including dipoles, roads and drains, and combined station works, including blending facilities, are in progress at Wadina. All steel plates have been received at site. The project is slated for commissioning in August 11, and that is progressing ahead of schedule. As well as another project which is being executed is transfer pipeline from North at Paradip. Their LGD activity is already going on. The main line there out of 9.5 km, 4.5 km has been laid. Work on Kolkata and Guwahati ATL pipeline shall commence after we get the clearances from various authorities. We are in a quite advanced state and we expect within a month or two we will be in a position to start the work on these projects. As far as Paradip-Raipur Ranchi pipeline is concerned, the terrestrial survey work has been completed and publication for acquisition of right of user, that is 3.1 and 6.1, they are in progress so that we have the sufficient availability of the ROW. However, the work is affected in Jharkhand because of the non-availability of the competent authorities, but yesterday only we have received the communication from the state government that they have released one officer. So in that case, we will be taking up the issue of acquisition of ROW in that area. There are a number of clearances which are required to be taken up. That we have submitted requests to all the statutory authorities, and local field office is continuously pursuing with respective statutory authorities for getting earlier clearance. Now, as far as integrated offshore crude handling facilities at Paradip is concerned, there are 2 SBM and 3 offshore lines are going to be laid. We have already placed order for pipes which should be installed in the offshore. Quoting orders has also been placed, and order for supply of SBM and engagement of contractor for laying of offshore pipeline as well as installation of SBM. We expect to conclude it by this month. As far as new schemes are concerned, the first stage approval for Paradip Haldia Bajbaj Kalyani Durgapur LPG pipeline that has been accorded by board on 28th May 2010. Now, detailed engineering survey that has commenced at site and detailed feasibility report is under preparation. Now, first stage approval was accorded by the board for Sanganer-Dilwasan Naphtha pipeline on 31st August 2009. Now, detailed engineering survey has been completed, but there are some increase in numbers. So in that case, it will necessitate augmentation of Koeli Sanganer section. So in that case, keeping that in view, the feasibility report is being prepared and shall be put up to the board. Augmentation of Paradip Haldia Baroni pipeline and 5 additional tanks at Paradip. Cost estimates have been formed up and the feasibility report is expected to be put up in the next board meeting. Now, feasibility report for Ennore Pondicherry-Trichy LPG pipeline that is being examined based on the numbers we have received, and that within a period of 2 to 3 months that reports shall be submitted for this project also. As far as this financial quarter performance is concerned, pipeline division has reported an all-time high quarterly profit before tax of 812 crore. Now, the asset valuation report for NJPL that has been received from American Appraisal, and this is a requirement once we are going in for IFRS. So, in that case, the net asset worth of NJPL, which is 149 crore, as on 31st March 2010, it has been fair valued at 692 crore. Now, on account payment of 15 crore has been received from ICI Lombard for Sanganer fire claim. Now, as far as capability building in pipeline division is concerned, post Sanganer fire, we started capability building program for 3 days duration, and which covered topics like system design and hydraulics, SCADA and data extraction system, station facilities, tank handling, oil accounting, quality control, interface management, and operational safety. And number of programs were conducted, and 172 executives from 43 pipeline locations, they were exposed to this program, and we have target of around 400 executives to be covered under this program. So in this year we will be completing this complete coverage. Now 3-day industry academia interface program, defect assessment and maintenance of pipeline, was organized by Pipelines Division in association with Petrofed and Navraj Kumar Memorial Trust at University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun, during 26 to 28 July 2010. The objective of the program was to enhance the knowledge of teaching fraternity in engineering institution in and around Uttarakhand, Punjab and Haryana. The participants were apprised of best practices in petroleum pipeline industry, which will help their students to acquire the updated inputs required for efficient and effective performance in oil and gas sector. This is all